We use astral-tokio-tar instead of Tokyo-tar because the older crates are largely unmaintained and are vulnerable to the T-Armageddon security issue discovered by Edera's security team. Astral-tokio-tar is maintained by Astral, the team behind the Rust-based Python package manager UV, making it a much more reliable choice. As for the standard tar crate, it is synchronous rather than asynchronous, making it less suitable for our async runtime. Notice how our application uses virtually no extra RAM while streaming, decompressing, and writing the HTTP download directly to disk. This allows it to handle files far larger than the available system memory. It's also faster because decompression happens on the fly as the data is downloaded, eliminating a separate decompression step. Thanks to the stream's natural backpressure, the decompressor simply waits for more network data when needed, avoiding unnecessary CPU usage and keeping resource utilization efficient.